What up? Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Hey, yeah. How'd you sleep?
Tired. Ready to fish, though.
All right, cool. I got that GPS. We're going to catch some fish. Hey, but we need to catch something. All right.
Where are we going, by the way?
Silverwood Lake, baby.
Let's do it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Ready, Set, Explore. My name is Jeff, and today we are at beautiful Silverwood Lake, California. It's a 1.5 square mile lake located in the San Bernardino National Forest, right up the 15 freeway in Southern California. And it's got so many fish species. So like you guessed it, I'm here kayaking today, and I'm going to be catching some fish as well. Unlike last time in Miles Square Park, I am determined to catch a fish for you guys because I really want to be able to do a catch and cook for you. Right now, I'm making my way out to my favorite spot. Believe it or not, I've been here about 4 or 5 times and I've not yet been able to catch a fish. But I'm feeling really positive today because earlier when we were loading the kayaks off the boat ramp, there was a couple of fishermen out there and they caught 2, 3 in the matter of 15, 20 minutes. And also I just overheard somebody saying that they just stocked this lake on Friday, and today's Sunday, so only 2 days have passed, and it's been pretty quiet since the weather's been really cold out here. Right now it's about 46 degrees, but luckily don't feel too cold, and plus I'm staying pretty active. We're paddling out right now to my favorite spot, and hopefully I can catch some trout. I call it my favorite spot, yet I've never caught any trout there. Gonna try a couple of different things. I'm not really an avid fisherman, I'm not a great angler, but I try to experiment and figure out what I'm doing wrong here. You're only about 45 minutes from the city, but it makes you feel like you're in the deep forest. And I'll get you guys some shots later on, and of course I'm gonna get you some drone footage. I'm paddling out to my favorite spot now. It's gonna take me about 15-20 minutes. I won't bore you with the paddle, but once we get out there, I'm gonna set up my fishing rod and we're gonna fish. So stay tuned for that, guys. Where we headed to?
There's that cove over there. That cove.
Across the boat ramp? Across the boat ramp launch? Alright. That's where the guy said that there was the biggest trout he ever caught. He said he got like 4 in like 2 minutes, right? Alright. Hopefully they're still there. So a couple of rowboaters just came and talked to us and said he caught like 4 trout, the biggest he's ever caught in the matter of 2 minutes. So we're heading over there right now, and once we get there, we're gonna give it a shot. Because the location we chose early this morning, my lucky spot here, has failed us. So We're heading out. I'll meet you guys over there. All right, we just got to the cove and supposedly there's some fish in here. So right now my GPS is reading a few fish in here. So hopefully this is the spot and hopefully we catch something here. Yeah, not many, but they're here. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. I'm tired of drifting around. The waves keep knocking me back to shore and I'm having a hard time fishing. So I got some of this paracord here that I had in my tote in the back of the kayak. So tied it up on a giant rock here. You can see on my lap. And I'm gonna use this as an anchor. I got my rock here. You can see. Bon voyage. Great. Lovely. Oh man, this rock is heavy. Why did I not undo this knot? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Did I think it was gonna just undo itself? Let's try this again. I got all the knots out. Hopefully it doesn't knot up on me. Doing it again. That's not gonna work. Let's try this one more time. I don't know if oh, that's it. Too deep. Slid right on my hand. Lost the anchor. My paracord wasn't long enough. It's gone. Oh, man. So we've been out on the water for several hours now and we still haven't caught anything. So we decided to take a little break and we came onto shore. All around Silverwood Lake, you'll find these beach areas. A lot of people like to jump on their boat, pack it up with barbecue grills, blankets, and just come out here and hang out. So it's almost like having their own private island. We're gonna head back out and hopefully we can catch that fish. We're running out of time here. A few more hours of daylight and we're gonna have to call it quits, but I really wanna catch a fish so I can cook it up for you guys. There's all kinds of these rocks over here. Let me show you guys. I just thought it was pretty interesting. I wanted to show you that. To me, that looks like a quartz or something, like this pink quartz. And it's all over the shore. Look at this one. This one actually looks pretty cool. Look at this one. Check that out. Now, I call it quartz, but I don't know exactly what that is. But if anyone knows what kind of rock this is, comment down below. Let me know. Pretty interesting. It's all over this shore here. Steve's over there trying to catch me a trout so we can have some dinner, but time is running out and it doesn't seem very likely. It's about 3 o'clock now. I think we're gonna give it till 4 and maybe call it quits then, but we're trying. Oh man, the camera was off, but I got her. Woo! What's up, baby? I promised you trout and I delivered. One Silverwood Lake rainbow trout, baby. Woo!
You know what you gotta do with it.
I love you.
You gotta kiss
Time for
it.
the catch and cook, baby. Let's do this.
First fish of the lake, baby.
Woo!
You gotta kiss it good.
Oh, dude, he's gonna slap me.
I know. You gotta kiss it. You gotta kiss it. Kiss him good.
One beautiful trout. Woo!
Hey, welcome.
Yeah. What is it? 3:44. Took all about the whole day to catch this one bad boy. Well, we got him. We got him. We're heading back to the dock right now. Did not anticipate it taking this long to catch some fish, but it's 4:11 right now and the sun is setting. and it's getting pretty chilly out here. So racing back to the dock, and hopefully I still have some light out so I can show you guys the catch and cook. I got a great recipe I want to share with everyone. It's a really good one. It's really simple, and I think people will enjoy it. I definitely enjoy it, and everyone I've introduced this recipe has enjoyed it as well. But trying to get back to the dock so I can do this catch and cook. I'm really glad that I got out here and caught a fish. Unfortunately, it's more of a fishing episode than an adventure episode, but I'm gonna have to do Silverwood Lake part 2 sometime soon. But I really want to get this footage out to you guys. The little footage I even got of this place, I think it's worth putting up for everyone to check out. But like I said, racing back to the shore, gonna get a catch and cook for everyone. Boat ramp's not too far away, and I'm almost there. Yeah. Thank you, Silverwood Lake. What's up, everybody? We are at the point where we're gonna do our catch and cook. Got my beautiful trout here. I just cut it. I gut it. I cut the head off. Beautiful fillet. Let me show you how we're gonna prepare this. Start with some green onions. Now there you have it, steamed trout with green onions and ginger with soy sauce and oil. All right, Steve, you tell me how it is. You're the guest of honor today. He's gonna take a nice bite, see what he thinks. A nice big chunk. Show the nice chunk to the camera too.
Excited.
Oh, go.
Delicious.
Good?
Oh my god.
Get another piece, dude. Get another piece. Is it good, huh?
Oh,
Is the
good.
fish ready?
Well, it's ready.
Nice. Hey, take a slow bite. Take a slow bite so the people can see how delicious that is. Oh, yeah. I might have to slow-mo that. Oh, yeah. I might have to slow-mo that.
You want to try some of this?
Yeah, here, you hold the camera. Let me get in there. Let me see what we got here. All right, I'm not a skin eater, so I like to pull the skin back. Let's get that big, nice chunk of meat here. Oh, man. That looks so flaky and so good. Oh, yeah. Check that out. Delicious. Mmm. Yep. That fish is so fresh tasting. No fishiness. Super flaky. Let me get another piece here. Gotta watch out for these pin bones though. A lot of bones in trout. Oh man, you always gotta swish it in this soy sauce though, in this oil. Do yourself a favor and swish it. Super simple recipe. You saw how I did it. Super easy. Oh my god, it's so flaky. I can't even pick it up with my chopsticks. Oh, there it is. Yep. Mm-hmm. Get in there, Steve. Was it worth the several hours trying to catch this trout? Good, huh?
It's worth now, dude.
Let's see how easy that spine comes out. Woo! Like butter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, just leave all those chunks of meat in that pan swimming in that sauce. Beautiful.
That was it, gentlemen.
All right. All right, everyone. We're going to finish up this delicious fish. I had an incredible time out here at Silverwood Lake. I'm sorry I couldn't get any more footage for you guys, but I really enjoyed being out here, and I hope you guys did too. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage of me catching that fish because I was excited. First time I caught a fish here in Silverwood Lake, and I've been here several times before, so very exciting. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification button like always. Signing out, guys. I really appreciate you coming along, and there will be a Silverwood Lake part 2. I promise you that, and I'll get you guys more footage of this area. All right, peace.
It was a lot of work.
This was a lot of work.